Oh man, what's up, bro? Let's see. Get rid of this stupid thing. Let's see. Okay. It's good there. What's that? It was just that bag. Or do you want me to check? Oh. Oh, I thought I did this one already. Damn. I keep taking time to learn Python. I have like 15 books on it. I always end up doing something else, like reorganizing my desk for 8 hours. Yeah, man. um, this is actually my first college course. It's just intro to scripting. So, like I've been doing Team Treehouse for a little bit, and they have like a very solid like entry level Python like data analysis program that's really solid. Teaches, it breaks down like all of like the Anaconda, like all the like Pi notebooks, all like everything you need for the most part, like for entry basic data analysis. But they have like tracks, kind of like guided courses. If it loads. Like, so this right here, this program got me like addicted to like data and understanding like how data is everywhere, and it tells you like the raw story, right? But it like it goes through a lot of things, like their tracks, like even just full stack foundations of like the full stack development, like React or JavaScript or beginning of SQL, so a little bit of PHP stuff. For somebody who has zero experience, this is probably like one of the better paid like sites I would recommend for sure. But yeah, like their data analysis program that they walk us through, it actually is super useful. Everything is broken down step by step. Yeah, like it's kind of similar, right? All the videos are super short videos, like under like 10 minutes, right? Like musical analysis, use Python's Panda library to complete or combine multiple data sets into one. But like the courses are like small bite chunk sizes, right? Like 7 minutes, you get 4 questions and some objectives. 5 minutes, 4 questions and some objectives, right? So it's very small chunks of videos on this site. And what they want, like I guess like what their philosophy is like you're more likely to finish the videos and learn something in small chunks. Yeah. Their Discord is super active. Super active. There's always people. They do like community, like weekly or monthly community projects, and it's really good for like I would say newer students, like newer people into like programming. But like if you already know like Python, it's not going to teach you anything new, right? It's just basics, how to like you know what, like how to use like just different like pandas or matplotlib or other like libraries of Python, and then how to export to CSV from Python. It's really good for newer devs, which I like. But because it got me looking into like data instead of like web development, I started taking college courses for my for bachelor's. So yeah, like it's kind of what I'm doing right now is just seeing, just working through some of these book stuff. Like, and because I've been doing a little bit this this program. Oh yeah, for sure. And like the prices are pretty affordable. It's just like a normal monthly subscriptions, right? I think the one I'm on is like a 40 $49 a month, which isn't bad. Um, yeah, it's not bad, but they have like three different courses. I think I'm actually on like a discount for this though for the tech degree. I think it's usually like 200 199 a month. So I would suggest like the courses plus, which has everything but um like the main project of the courses, right? Like it's not as like guided, and what it does is it just gives you all these courses like this, right? So it's kind of guided, but there's no like yeah, yeah. The courses subscription has just like these um like different things you could look into, like Ruby. They have a little bit of Ruby. And it, you know, it kind of goes through like 109 minutes of build an address book in Ruby, right? Or you can do like 5 hours to watch like a treehouse show, like recap town hall meeting, or do like you know. So I mean, it's super useful. I like it. Definitely been I've been using Treehouse for like 3 years maybe. So it's super. I like it. Super useful. It's known as hierarchical calls. Okay, nested calls. Looks like code such as user input equals and yeah. Consists of such hierarchical function calls wherein the input function is called and evaluates to value that is then passed as an argument to the int. Okay. I feel like I know what they're talking about. Oh. Okay. So obviously it runs the function, right? Doesn't call it yet, but it runs the function, right? Boom, runs it, right? Next is it runs this function now, right? And then because it's printing, right, it's calculating the diameter, boom, and then it's going to calculate the calories, right? Calories, yep. Okay. And then it's going to calculate the circle areas, right? And return total calories. Boom. Right. And it returns that, which the circle area is okay, so that's the circle area. Right. It's like a weird way to like step through this. complete the pizza calories per slice function to compute the calories for a single slice of pizza. Pizza calories function. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Okay. So, well, that's like horrible. Okay. A pizza's calorie function returns a pizza. Total calories given, pizza diameter passed as an argument. Calories per slice. Pizza slices function. Pizza given the diameter passed as an argument. Okay. The total calories. So then pizza diameter as an argument, right? Total calories. Okay. Type the expression would be pizza calories with pizza as the argument. Calories per slice. Wouldn't it be oh, pizza slice. Total calories. Oh, pizza slices. Okay, so x plus 3, so it'd be 5. Oh. Right, 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So it would be return new value, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Right. Here's the fun part. Let's see. Assign max sum with the greater of num A and num B plus the greater of num Y and num Z. Use just one statement, hint, call find max twice in an expression. What? Assign max sum Okay. Okay, so that's sounds easy enough. Max sum equals, right? I can do ternary operator in Python. It should be pretty simple. Oh, maybe. What is it? Assign max sum with the greater number of num A and num B plus. Oh. Completely wrong. Oh, yeah. Oh, num A, num1 is not defined. Did you mean num A? Oh. Yeah, that's what I meant. Oh. A, and then B. Boom! Let's go. Okay. Okay, define a function, calc pyramid volume with parameters base length, base width, and base height, or pyramid height. Now returns the volume of a pyramid with a rectangular base. Okay, so there we go. Okay, that's easy enough. Right? Boom. Where turns the volume of a pyramid to rectangular base. That returns the volume of a pyramid with a rectangular base. So would it be no, not yet. I don't know. Yeah, they have like a double order. They're just getting off the 5. Don't ask me. They be taking some crazy routes. Okay, so if that's okay. With base length there. Base width is there, and then the pyramid height. Okay. So I'm gonna do. What does it have? What do I do? Return mass volume. I think that's like. Okay. So we got these, right? Which do base area, right? Volume, base area, base length, base width. Pyramid height, right? And times that, and then return volume. Maybe? Ah, stupid. One more? Dummy. Okay. Dang. What? Oh, base. Okay, I knew that. That was a dumb mistake. At least they're easy errors, you know? That's good. At least I have, like, the basic understanding. All those points. Ugh. So many. Okay. Dynamic and static typing. Okay. A programmer can pass any type of object as an argument to a function. Consider a function add x, y that adds two parameters. Okay, the programmer can call the add function using two integer arguments, as in add 5 and 7, which returns a value of 12. Alternatively, programmer can pass two string arguments, as in add Tora Bora, which would concatenate the two strings and return Tora Bora. Okay, yep, know that one. Yep. A function's behavior of being able to add different types is a concept called polymorphism. Polymorphism is an inherent part of the Python language. For example, consider the multiplication operator. Yeah, if the two operands are numbers, then the result is the product of those two numbers. If one is a string and the other is an integer, then the result is a repetition of the string 5 times. Cool. Dynamic typing to determine the type of objects. Okay. First assign num to an integer type and then a string type. The type of a num can change depending on the value of references. Yep. Yep. Java use static typing. Okay. Basically TypeScript. Okay. To define the type of every variable and every function parameter in a program. Source code. Okay. Example, string name equals John would declare a string variable in C and C++. When the source code is compiled, compiler attempts to detect non-safe type operations and halts the compilation process if such an operation is found. Okay, makes sense. Dynamic typing allows for more flexibility in terms of the code that a programmer can write, but at the expense of potentially introducing more bugs since there's no compilation process which can be checked. Ow, that hurt. Oh. Okay. Refers to how an operation depends on the involved object type. I think true. Yeah. Programmer can pass only string arguments to user-defined functions. False. Static typed languages. Ugh. Require that type of every variable is defined in the source code. A dynamic type language. Oh. A dynamic type language like Python checks that the operation is valid when the operation is executed by the interpreter. The operation true. Okay, reason to define functions. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Let's kind of put this in. Okay. Let's see. Programs can become hard for humans to read and understand. Composing a program into functions can greatly aid program readability, helping yield an initially correct program and easing future maintenance. Okay. Okay, in the example without functions, how many statements are in the main program? 4, 5. 9. Okay, modular program development is key. Let's see. Hey. Curious. Oh wow. That's strange. Um, let's see. All right. So programmers commonly use functions to write programs modularly. Modular development is the process of dividing a program into separate modules that can be developed and tested separately and then integrated into a single program. Okay. Code. Yep. All function calls will have to be modified. The function's internal statements. Write a function so that the main program below can be replaced by the simpler code that calls function. Okay. Right. What am I? Let's see. I want. I guess it could be hours traveled and then miles traveled, right? And then we want to just copy this. Bop. Bop. Oh no, I lied. Okay. Oh, so this would be no print. So this format. Ay. So I guess the last time we ordered, there was a lemonade. I got you a Coke. Huh? yours. It's the club. I don't know. I guess I just gotta stop doing that. Going off of the last order, like buttons. I just gotta stop doing that. Piffy Wiggly butt over here. Hmm? I think she still has food. I'll do it. You did. You still got. You still got some in here. I think one of the underclothes APS guys was getting a talking to today. We walked in to clock out and he was in Freddie's office and Freddie's like, yes, I expect you to take vacation and yes, you need to do this more. Yes, you need to do this more. And we're like, and left real quick. We was like, oh damn. Like, and Freddie's like the nice guy. Like he's like the one who's like, hey man, how's it going, dude? This month, you know, like, and he's like, if I'm ever late, like if I write my time on the board at like 11 o'clock and I show up at 11:04, I'll buy everybody an energy drink, right? He's like, I hold myself to the same standard I hold you guys to, right? I'm like, all right, cool. So when he's like talking stern, I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna put this away before it attract his attention. No, thank you. I told Freddie today, I was like, yo, if there's any truth to the rumor of a third APS coming in, throw my name in there and I'll interview for that shit. Like, yeah, I'll take that 28 an hour. So, yeah. bright as shit. Any better? Okay, so what am I missing here, right? So no. Yeah. mm, I just had to like see. Function stubs. Okay, programs are typically written in incremental development, meaning a small amount of code is written and tested, then a small amount of more, an incremental amount is written and tested, and so on. Yep. To assist with the incremental development process, programs commonly introduce function stubs, which are function definitions whose statements haven't been written yet. Yep. High-level behavior of the program can be captured before diving into details of each function, akin to planning the route of a road trip before starting to drive. High-level behavior first may lead to better organized code, reduced development time, and even code with fewer bugs. Okay, programmer writing a function stub should consider whether or not calling the unwritten function is a valid operation. Okay. Okay, simply doing nothing and returning nothing may be acceptable early in the development of a larger program. One approach is to use a pass keyword, which performs no operation except to act as a placeholder for a required statement. Okay. Yeah. Function stub in place of the steps to calories. Function contains a single pass statement because at least one statement is required in any user-defined functions. Another useful approach is to print a message. A function stub is called, thus alerting the user to the missing function statements. For a stub to return -1 for a function that will have a return value. The following function stub could be used. Okay. Why though? Okay. Define stubs for the functions get user num. And what? And compute average. Okay. So not pass. So we want to do. I should print fix me followed by a new line. Oh. Um. Oh. What? Oh, it's user num1, user num2, and this one is avg result. Right? Ah, shoot. I, hey, it might have worked. this one is num1. Ah. Alright, there is that. Functions block statement may include branches, loops, and other statements. The following example uses the function compute the amount that an online auction sales. What you want? What you need? Hit me up, I got you, man. What's up, chunk butt? Chunk butt. Okay, the problem below uses the function get numbers to read a number of integers from the user. 3 unfinished functions are defined, which should print only certain types of numbers that the user entered. Complete the unfinished functions, adding loops and branches where necessary, match the output. So numbers equals Hey man, I appreciate. Thank you for stopping in. I'll catch you around, Ed. Let's see. Define function, print popcorn time. Right, what do we, with the parameter of bag ounces, right? Too many spaces.